Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open a beverage can. Modern version. This is not like the classic beverage cans because the beverage can opener is not made of steel. Wow, it's not metal. It's a plastic additional part. On top there is a label. As you can see, this label you have to remove. This is only the cover, but there it is. This is a beverage can opening system. It's an rotate-able beverage opening system. Wow, now it's open, only rotated anti-clockwise, and then the beverage can is open. And you are going to close it again. Wow, reclose able, as you can see. Now the liquid is inside, still inside the beverage can. Nice and easy. And if you are going to like to have a drink, only rotate it left turn, then zip a little bit, and after this, close it again. Cool. Nice function, easy to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.